Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox Mercedes-Benz AMG GT-3.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Let's know some interesting facts on Mercedes-Benz. Carl Benz, inventor of car, founder of Benz, and also father of automotive industry. Gottlieb Daimler, inventor of high-speed liquid petroleum fuel engine and co-founder of Benz. Daimler was an early pioneer of automobile in Germany. Mercedes-Benz is the combination of two names, Mercedes Jelinek and Carl Benz. Mercedes Jelinek was the daughter of Austrian automobile entrepreneur Emil Jelinek. On January 29, 1886, Carl Benz applied for a patent for his vehicle powered by a gas engine. The patent number 37435 may be regarded as the birth certificate of the automobile. In July 1886, newspaper reported on the first public outing of three-wheel Benz patent motor car model number 1. The logo of the company represents air, land and water. The company thought about adding a fourth point to the star to represent the space but decided not to. Throughout the 1930s, Mercedes-Benz produced the 770 model. That car was popular during Germany's Nazi period. Adolf Hitler was known to have been driven in these cars during his time in power, with bulletproof windshields. Most of the surviving models have been sold at auctions private buyers. One of them is currently on display at the War Museum. The production of Mercedes-Benz G-Class was started in 1979. The G-Class is still in production and it is one of the longest produced vehicles in Mercedes-Benz history with a span of 41 years. Okay guys, we will meet in next video. If you like my content, please like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my uploads.